Entonces nunca me amaste, nunca me amaste. Quien ama no lastima un corazón.
Hello everyone, my name is Miguel. I'm part of the CPB Salsa Club and we're going to go over the salsa basics. So in this playlist we're going to teach the basics and fundamental moves, making sure we break down every step and giving you an overall understanding of salsa and how to dance it. Some quick history: salsa first originated in Cuba back in the 1900s. It was actually a mixture of Cuban son and Afro-Cuban rumba, and with that, that's how salsa developed. And from then on, there's plenty of different styles of salsa throughout the world. Just to name a few, there's Cuban style salsa, Puerto Rican style salsa, LA style salsa on one, and New York style salsa on two. When it comes to salsa music, it's important to pay attention to every instrument that goes on in the song, but sometimes it can be very difficult for many people to figure out the rhythm of salsa. My suggestion is to listen to one instrument, which is called el clave. And that instrument denotes sort of the steps or your counts for doing the salsa basics. I'll just quickly demonstrate how the rhythm of el clave goes. So it should sound like this. So make sure you look for that rhythm when you're listening to salsa music. That will give you the counts 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. Keep in mind that we don't use the counts 4 or 8. Those are essentially pauses when you're dancing salsa. And with that being said, we can begin the salsa basics.